The Celia token migration is now active. It's now active again. So now you can migrate your Celia token to your mainnet. So in this video, I'll show everything you need to do, because yesterday they were having a certain issue about the Celia migration. So now this video, I'll show step by step how to migrate your Celia to your mainnet. And today's video, I'll show you two things you need to know. So what you need to pay attention, right? Watch this video to the end, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe and like this video and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop any updates or any video, will not be missed, right? So I'll show you how to migrate your Celia step-by-step guide to your mainnet, and the exact day the Celia token will be listed right on DEX. So the listing or the DEX trading also will begin in this month, which is March, right? So what you need to do, as I said, watch this video to the end so that I don't miss any important part. So that the first thing we start is the migration. So how do you migrate? The first thing you need to do is to tap on the wallet section here. Once you tap on the wallet, make sure you have $1 of BNB, right? $1 worth of BNB. You can see it here. I have $1.06 worth of BNB. So because without this $1 of BNB cannot migrate, because it required a gas fee, right? So after you have your BNB, then you go to the mainnet section, which is the community. So once we come to the community section here, we tap on this section. Once we tap on it, so here you can see they have given me a phase allocation for this March, which is 312, just 312, right? And you can see my status is ready to migrate, right? And token tax, it is 3%, right? And the gas fee also is 0.00858 BNB, right? And the reason why you are seeing this 312 is that they are giving us only 25% of our token that we have mined. Because the reason why they do this is that we will migrate our token like Pi network. As I said earlier in my previous video, that these people are building something like Pi network. So if you are watching my video, you see I'm talking about a certain project in seriously. Make sure you take that project serious. You mind this project serious, right? You don't take that project to play, right? Because these people are doing their things like Pi network. Pi network migrate their token, which is their allocation in every month or some. There's any problem in how they do this. But this one, every month we will migrate, like how we were doing, like how we convert the Celia point to the Celia token. But now we are mining the real Celia. So now the migration is now live. So after you have your BNB, then we tap on migrate tokens. So you can see here, right? Gas fee is the estimated with, as I said, 0.00858, and this is the BNB balance also I have here, right? So after that, we tap on sign and migrate. Once we tap on sign and migrate, you can see what will come. You can see success. Your transaction have been submitted, right? You can see I have 304 Celia, right? So my Celia have been successfully migrated to my Celia wallet. So after you tap on the Celia, it have been directed us from the Celia community to the Celia wallet. So that is how we migrate our Celia. So it's very, very simple. What you need to have the BNB. You have $1 of BNB. After that, then you do what I show you now. After that, your Celia will be successfully migrated to your wallet. So you have 304 Celia, $9 of it, right? So every day the Celia price pump and a drop, you can see now is $0.03, right? So every day the Celia pump and it's go down and top. As you see the chart, it's go down and right. So that's how it is. And the last thing I said I will show you in this video is that the DEX trading also will begin on the 30th of March 2026. So this is very, very happy announcement, right? So if you go to their X account, you can see it here. So you can see here 10k holders, milestone achieved. if you haven't migrated your March allocation of Celia tokens, make sure to migrate it soon. All unclaimed token will be banned right on March 29th. So the live DEX trading begins on 30th March, as I said, right? So you can see on the embedded overview, max total supply of 771,166,659 Celia, right? So they have achieved a milestone of 10,000 holders, and this is the transfer, right? Total transfer in these 24 hours, right? So guys, it's all about what I have for you in this video. So as I said, help me, consider to subscribe to this channel, right? So if you also want to join our Telegram channel for instance update on our WhatsApp chat group, check the link in the description section or comment section of this video so that you also can interact with us. So that's how about this video today. So to bring tech, as I always said, let's learn and grow together. Bye. See you guys in my next video.